This is a simple and fast review of the Yibest titanium alloy 100 speed portable foldable fan. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, of course, let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open here, it does come with kind of a warranty card. I'm not sure what that is yet. We'll have to check it out. Instruction manual, charging cable. It looks like a little tiny lanyard. So USB-A to USB-C charging cable, little wrist lanyard, and kind of just simple instructions. Anyway, we'll go ahead and show you what this looks like. Not sure if it's got any juice, but we'll yeah, turn it on. So first turn is 1, 25, 50, 75, and 100. We have a flashlight with a low, medium, high, and then kind of a S. No, it's not an SOS. It's just a rover. It comes at 79% charge. I do like that it kind of shows you that. Show you the bend in it. Not going to get as much air this way for sure. Definitely a lot of air this way because it has to have an exhaust, if you will, or not an intake. I mean, that is our USB-C charging port. But I do like that it flashes every once in a while. And it could have just been with the flashlight. Yeah, showing me the 79% that it's charged is really nice. And we can kind of rotate it by holding that in to find what number we want to be at. But it's super compact. I'm going to actually get this charged up and take this out with me right now. But this thing is awesome because it is small. It says it's small as a lipstick. I don't know that it's as small as a lipstick. This is pretty darn big compared to a lipstick. However, it is still compact and can fit in your pocket very easily, very portable. I do like the way that it can stand on its own in a variety of of ways to kind of give you whatever you need as far as your air. And again, you know, the key is you do have to keep it bent in order to kind of get it to go. But it's a nice little pocket fan, great portability. So to me, these kinds of things are always valuable to have, worth buying. And thanks for watching.